Let's start. Okay, so our lesson today is about area. How do we find the area of a rectangle, square, and a right triangle? Yeah. We took in grade 4, what do I mean by area? What is the difference between area and perimeter? Perimeter, if we are finding the distance that surrounds any shape, whereas area, the distance that's inside any shape. Yani, for example, if we look here at this square ABCD, if we want to find the distance that's inside this square, means that we are finding the area of this square. Okay? يعني الarea means the distance that's inside any shape. Whereas if we want to find the distance that surrounds this square, surrounds, it's not the area, it's a perimeter. We are finding the perimeter of this square. Okay?
Okay.
Type. For example, when I say let's put a fence around a rectangular garden, if we want to know how many meters is this fence, means we are finding its perimeter or area. Fence around a rectangular garden, يعني fence يعني استياج around. Yes, it's perimeter. Bravo. طب if we want to know how many meters do we have in our house in all, how many meters in all? يعني مساحة بيتنا, it's area. Bravo, because it's inside the house, so we are finding the area. Is it clear what is the difference between area and perimeter?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now in this lesson, we will take 3 rules. You will notice, you will deduce it from this activity. I will not do these questions, just I will explain here on these 2 figures. You will deduce 3 rules. The first rule is about the area of a square. The second one, rectangle. And the third one, a right triangle. يعني it has a right angle. طيب. If we start here, the first shape اللي هو square. Look at the square. Haytham and Jad, stop writing, please. Erase them. If we look at the square, if we want to know the area of this square, يعني it means the distance that's inside this square, okay? طيب. We divide this square into cubes. We want to count how many cubes do we have inside this square. Means we are finding the distance that's inside. How many cubes do we have inside the square?
16.
16 cubes means that the area of this square is 16 units. Okay? لأنه اليونت هي هيدا الكيوب. 16 units. طيب. Instead now of counting the squares that's inside the square, look at the side here. What is the length of this side? How many cubes is this side formed of?
4.
So it's 4. And this side also? 4. 4.
4 times 4.
Exactly, Ayman. Bravo, proud of you. Simply, no need to count the cubes that's inside. We're gonna just multiply. 4 times 4, how much?
Yes, 4 times 4, 16.
16. We'll get the same answer. So, from now on, the area of square, no need to count the distance that's inside this square. We just multiply the 2 sides together. يعني الarea. And they have to be equal because in a square, 4 sides have the same length, 4 equal sides. So, the area of a square equals side times what?
Side.
Times side, because both they are equal. يعني if it's 4, so we multiply 4 by 4. If it's 5, we multiply 5 by 5. If it's 6, we multiply 6 by 6, and so on. Clear?
Clear.
This is the area of a square. So the area of the square, repeat please, equals? Side times side. So the area, wake up please, wake up. The area of a square equals?
5 times side.
5 times side. Bravo. طيب. Now let's deduce the area of a rectangle. Yeah.
بس أنا عرفت كيف حلها.
Rectangle now. طيب. If we count also, if we divide it into cubes, and let's count the cubes that's inside this rectangle. How many cubes do we have in all?
Yeah.
14.
14. Exactly. So the area of a rectangle is 14. simply
times-
need to count. We just multiply 2 by
2
7.
times 7.
Bravo. The length of this side is 2 and the length of this side is 7. طيب
7.
did you remember هيدا السايد that measures 7 what do we call this side؟ الطول والعرض شو بنقول لهم؟
The length
Yes,
is
bravo,
the
length
width.
and
The
width,
width.
excellent.
And
So it's width and here it's length. So length and width, okay? So the area of a rectangle, it's not side times side because they are different, not the same. Here the length is 7, the length is 2 and the width is 7.
L plus W.
L times W, bravo. So الاريا للrectangle equals L times W. So the first two rules we have to study them. The area of a square equals
Side times side.
bravo. The area للrectangle equals
Length times width.
length times width. Bravo. Excellent. طيب. Now, if we want to deduce the area of a triangle, look at this triangle. Wait a minute. طيب.
Let's switch page.
Don't open your math book. Just pay attention to the screen. You will not write. Look at this triangle. هو right triangle because this angle is right. Okay, it's a right angle. طيب.
Yes.
How we will find its area. طلعوا لي على هيدا التريانجل. هيدا اللي انا عم بعمل له coloring بالبلو color. اوكي.
Yes.
Okay.
هو هيدا الاريا لهيدا التريانجل هو شو بالنسبه للاريا للريكتانجل كله؟
It's a half of a
برافو
rectangle.
زينب. excellent. It's half. Proud of you. So اذا كانت الاريا للريكتانجل كله 14 what is the area of a triangle؟
7.
7. برافو هيمن. half of 14 equals 7. half of 14 equals
What?
7.
Seven.
So الاريا للتريانجل نحن هيدول التو تريانجلز يا كراشت اذا انا بعمل لهم جوين مش بيعطوني 1 ريكتانجل؟
Yes.
Yes.
صح يا كراشت؟
Yes.
كراشت
And it will be 14.
كراشت ما عم بسمع صوتك. كراشت؟
Yes.
اوكي. So one of them one triangle يا كراشت هو half of a rectangle هو نصه لهيدا الريكتانجل ما هيك؟
Yes.
اوكي.
Yes,
يعني اذا
teacher,
كان
يعني
الاريا للريكتانجل كله يا كراشت 14 we want to find the area of a triangle we say half of 14 how much يعني which number in table 2 give us 14 7 so it's 7
يعني الهاف of بس يعني الهاف of square is 8.
يعني الهاف of
Square is 8.
يعني الهاف of 16 equals 8 برافو yes الهاف of 14 equals 7
7.
half of
Teacher, يعني
12
one out of 2.
yes 6 الهاف of 10 5 الهاف of 18
9.
9 half of 20
10.
10 and so on okay half of 4
2.
half of
Teacher.
2
2.
half of 2 1 bravo
Teacher,
yes teacher
إجباري يكون like the square is 16 or we can another number.
لا اكيد ممكن يكون مثلا side 5 we multiply 5 by 5 it will be 25
5.
okay
Okay.
Miss, and the half of 10 it will be, and its half will be.
Teacher,
yes زينب
يعني التريانجل مثل السكوير side times side.
مش مثل سكوير التريانجل هو half of a rectangle
Yes يا teacher بس نحن بنكتب
لا
side
هلا
times
هلا
side.
بنقول لهم رول نكتبها نحن للرول اسمعوا شوي كيف حنكتبها نحن حنعمل اول ستيب انا ما حجيب لكم دائما ريكتانجل وبتعملوا انتم الاريا للريكتانجل ترجعوا بتعملوا لها ديفايدد باي 2 نحن بنجيب بس تريانجل فايند اتس اريا اوكي
Good morning.
نحن قلنا جود مورنينج ادم انه الاريا للتريانجل هو هاف اوف ا ريكتانجل ما هيك
Yes.
يعني هو هاف قد ايه الاريا للريكتانجل length times width يعني هو half length times width I will show you now on the whiteboard if we have a right triangle for example هيدا right triangle أنا حسميه A B C right at B. طيب نحن حنستعمل just the two sides that form a right angle. يعني الاريا للتريانجل هي half. Then I have to multiply now two sides together. But which two sides? The two sides that form what? A right angle. يعني I will not use this side. I will use just this side and this side. دايما يا تيتشر بالتريانجل بالرايت تريانجل البيربنديكولار انا بسميه هايت، هتاخدوها بجريد 6. بيربنديكولار نحن بنسميه الهايت اوف ا تريانجل.
Yes.
البوتوم للتريانجل ارضها نحن بنسميه بيز. يعني نحن الاريا للتريانجل we can say half which two sides base and height. half base times height. هيدي هي الاريا للتريانجل، هي half base times height. الهايت هو البيربنديكولار والبيز هو البوتوم، هو ارضها للرايت انجل. اوكي؟ يعني the two sides هيدول البيز والهايت هني the two sides that form a right angle. Base and height which two sides?
Form a right angle.
Form a right angle. برافو. For example, when I say yes teacher.
Is a rectangle is a half of triangle. It will be.
I will do example يا مريم. If the length of this side AB 4 for example and the length of this side BC equals 2. So the base here, how much the base? 2. والheight
4.
4. برافو. This is the height. طيب in order to find its area first we multiply 4 times
2
equals 8.
8. Then don't forget to find its half. Half of 8
It's 4.
4. So الاريا بتطلع 4. Okay? So we write half base times height. البيز هو 2 والهايت هو 4. 2 times 4 equals 8.
Equals 8.
طيب half of 8 means we are dividing 8 by 2. Which number in table 2 give us 8? 4. The answer will be 4. هلا نحن بس نكتب الاريا ما فينا نكتب just 4. We have to write a unit. What is the unit of the area? نحن بس نقيس مساحة البيت. شو بقولوا مثلا؟ مساحة البيت how much؟ 150. 4 ب4 الغرفة يا مريم. هيدي الغرفة. البيت كله مساحة البيت كله. بقولوا مثلا 150 شو؟
متر
متر شو؟ متر
مربع.
yes who said it متر مربع؟
أنا.
برافو
I also said it.
yes I heard you. برافو متر مربع. طب what does it mean? How do we write متر مربع? We write it like this.
Meter square.
برافو جود. متر سكوير يعني M2 يعني 2 meters. We are multiplying. مش عم نضرب الطول بالعرض، عم نضرب مترين مع بعض. يعني متر مربع، متر بمتر 2 meters يعني متر مربع متر سكوير. اوكي؟ هيك بنعطيها تسمية. الاريا دايما الاريا اليونت لها هي متر سكوير اور سنتيمتر سكوير يعني مربع. اوكي؟ بس نحط 2 من فوق نحن بنقول لها هيدي التسمية بنقولوها مربع.
بس هي التراينجل يعني triangle is half of triangle.
Yes.
The triangle will be.
Yes.
Miss
let's
now the
do-
triangle you draw.
Let's do
A will be
a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Then let's draw a square. Then let's
Yes.
draw. It's not a square. This is a square.
Right triangle.
تقريبا. Okay. Write a triangle here. Right. Okay. طيب. Here, the length of this side, let's say 6, and here it's 2. Here, 5 by 5, for example.
5.
This side 1. Here there's a trick. This side 3, let's say, and this one 2. Yeah. Let's start with Adam Zaytoun. Adam.
Yes.
Do you know area of a rectangle? What is the rule للarea للrectangle?
No. Because
Yes.
can
طيب.
I-
أيمن عيديبة.
yes.
لحظة شوي. Yesterday we started from up.
No, from
No.
down.
No, from up we started.
Teacher,
No,
we
you
didn't
miss. I swear
complete.
to God, from down.
طيب
Down.
okay.
Teacher, Jude did, but we didn't complete.
No, miss, I didn't do.
Yes, you do. Yes, you
No,
do.
you did yesterday, ya Jude. I remembered so much.
No, I
But
didn't.
we didn't complete. He did the last one.
Yes,
And
yes.
Hassan Darwish did.
Okay. Thank you, Ayman. Thank you very much. Now Zainab Bukhalil. Yes, Hassan Darwish also did. We stopped at Haidar.
No,
Zainab Bukhalil.
no. No, miss, we're going down.
No, we're going
Zainab?
up.
Yes.
You did yesterday, Zainab Bukhalil.
Yes, teacher. We
Teacher,
stopped
yes, up and down good.
Okay. Jad Ismail now. Jad Ismail. جاد. طيب تالين غريب. بلال شور.
Yes, teacher.
يلا يا بلال. The area of a rectangle يا بلال. Adam pay attention, okay? يلا. The area of a rectangle.
Okay.
What is the rule يا بلال?
عرفت حل التريانجل تريك. Length times width.
برافو. Length times width. علي عائل stop writing. Length times width. So it's how much the length, how much the width يا بلال.
The length is
يعني whatever, multiply them. Which two numbers?
6 times 2 equal 12.
12 and the unit is centimeter. What? Centimeter what?
Square.
Square. يعني 2 centimeters. Centimeter square. So area of rectangle, we just multiply length by the width. So 6 times 2. طيب. Because we want to find the Adam, the distance that's inside this rectangle. Now,
Okay.
Amira Aboud.
Teacher. Teacher.
Teacher, just like this.
Yes, just like this.
Yes.
Ayman Aidibe.
Triangles.
Ayman.
Yes, teacher.
يلا الاريا للسكوير يا أيمن.
We put 5 times 5.
أول شيء
equal-
الرول. We need to know the rule.
It is side times side.
Because both are equal. It has 4 equal sides. We can't say length and width. They aren't different. So which two sides we have to multiply?
5 times 5 equals 25.
Yes.
It's 25 centimeter square.
برافو. centimeter square. Excellent أيمن. هلا آدم.
The only thing I didn't.
آدم
I
أنت ما
don't
كنت على
have-
التريانجل ما هيك يا آدم؟
No.
بلال
بس
وضع.
أنا فيني
اسمعوا
أعمل
شوي. Listen please in turn. Who wants to ask me question? Yes بلال.
In the book there is in the rule.
ايه اترك البوك هلا. اترك البوك يا بلال. نحن هلا بس
Miss.
نخلص حنروح على البوك. اوكي؟
Okay.
يا
But
هيثم
Miss.
سمعين. يس يا جود.
just when you said when Ayman said, he said the square is 25 centimeters square one. But why do we say square? I didn't hear it when
ما هي
you said it.
مربع. شو يعني مربع؟ يعني سكوير. نحن مثلا بس نقول متر مربع يعني متر سكوير. السكوير بنرمز لها هيك انه 2. هي تسمية. هيثم سمعين. هاي البردان.
Yes.
يلا يا هايل. area للتريانجل. What is the area of a triangle?
Teacher, I was having poor connection and I didn't understand.
مهدي عيسى.
Teacher, can I?
Yes.
الاريا للتريانجل.
Is the down the hit triangle
What?
and it's the down the first the down is the head of the triangle
height.
and of the triangle and
دايما نحن قلنا يا هيا listen please انه triangle composed of 2 sides, one of 3 sides sorry, but 2 of them that form a right angle عطيناهم تسمية. One of them is base and the other is height. الهايت هو perpendicular هو that measures 2 centimeter والبيز هو bottom it measures 3. Okay?
I know.
يعني هيدا ال 1 centimeter do we need to use it?
2 times 3 and
Do we
No.
need to use
it's
one? We'll not
exactly.
use it. We'll use it just the two sides that form a right angle. يعني we'll use it just the height and the
And the
base.
base.
Miss,
طيب.
can I edit it
Miss,
because
it's,
I...
Miss, can I say it?
We
يا
will.
ما عم بسمع مهدي.
Yes, teacher.
So how do we
2
find
times
the
3
area? 2 times 3, bravo, we multiply height by the base. 2 times 3, 6. But we still have one more step بالtriangle. شو لازم أعمل؟ 6.
What's the half of the 6?
برافو. Half of 6 equals 3. لأنه نحن قلنا إنه التريانجل هو ال half of a rectangle. هو نصه للريكتانجل. يعني we have to say half of 6 equals 3. So we have to study this rule. الاريا للتريانجل هو half what؟
rectangle.
ايه يعني half base times
Base times the height.
height. Okay.
Right.
البيز equals 3 والheight equals
2.
2. 3 times 2 how much?
6.
6.
طيب half of 6 means we are dividing 6 by 2. Which number in table 2
3.
give us 6?
3
3 centimeter square.
square.
Okay? Like this we will solve them.
Easy.
الاريا للtriangle half base times height. Let's repeat. What is the area of a square?
Side times
Side times
Bravo.
side.
The area of a rectangle.
length times width.
Bravo. The area of a triangle.
Half
The height times base.
Bravo. Or base times height. Excellent. طيب البيز will hide the two sides where that form what?
Right angle.
Bravo.
right
That form a right angle. Excellent. So let's study here page 157 to memorize. هنعدل بالrules هون. الاريا للسكوير here they wrote a times a. It means side times side. Okay?
Yes.
طيب الاريا للrectangle length times width. The
And the
triangle
square.
will not write side times side, will write base times height. هنعطيهم
Base
تسمية
and height.
base and height. Base times height. The B it means base. The H means height.
Height.
Yes.
Easy.
2 and a half.
So these three rules for study: triangle, rectangle, square.
Teacher, teacher, it's correct if you say a x a.
What?
No, we don't say X is times.
What did you say, Crash?
Teacher, as the animal teacher, it's wrong. A times
No, no, correct. No means that all sides in a square are equal. أعطوهم تسمية للسايد هو letter A.
Okay.
Teacher, the half of 5 is 2 and a half.
Bravo, 2.5. Yes. Yeah. Question 1. Now I want from you
No, Miss, wait 1 second. I'm still.
use a ruler and to measure the length of each side. How many centimeters?
length, etc.
Done.
Teacher, only want to write this half.
يلا hurry up. We still have 7 minutes.
بس
يلا.
بس أنا عملتها 3 times 3.
برافو.
Miss,
So,
my ruler. Miss, my ruler broke.
here it's 3. طيب.
3 times 3.
Rectangle. يا مريم. Length will width. يلا each one alone measure them please.
Measure them all.
Yes, yes. Just the length will width.
بس 4 times 4 the wing.
Length 4 and the width.
But 4 is the width and the length is 3 centimeters.
3.
Yes.
Are you sure? Check please. Check them.
Yes.
Okay.
طيب للtriangle measure the two sides that form a right angle.
Teacher 2.
Miss, yes, the first
Here
one is
two.
3.
2 and 4.
And
Teacher 2
4.
and 4.
Okay.
Yes.
طيب. Yeah.
Yes, second one.
محمد البردان now.
Yes.
3.
يلا يا محمد. الاريا للسكوير. The first one. Let's write the rule first. What is the area of a square يا محمد?
The area of the square is side to side times
Bravo.
side.
So it's how much? يلا يا محمد. Hurry up.
Teacher will do 3.
Yes. Times
3.
3. How much is 3 times 3?
9. Equals 9.
9 centimeter square. Okay. برافو محمد. محمد crashed.
Yes.
area للrectangle. Rule
Length
times.
times the width.
Okay. So which two numbers?
We got 4 times 3 equal 12.
برافو محمد. 12 centimeter square. Okay. مريم كوراني.
Yes, dear teacher.
الاريا للتريانجل. الرول.
B.
half
Half B.
B base times
Base times height.
height. برافو. How much is the base?
8.
8.
Uh,
4.
4.
How much is the height?
2.
2. Yeah, multiply. 4 times 2, how much?
8 centimeter.
Then find its
square.
half, means we are dividing it by
We have
4 by 2.
2. 8 divided by 2, Mariam.
4 centimeter square.
Square. Bravo. Excellent. Is it clear الاريا للتريانجل؟
Yes.
يعني هي الفرق يا تيتشر بين البقايا just you divide the answer by 2. يعني مثلا بالسكوير just multiply the two sides وبالريكتانجل كمان multiply the two sides. بالتريانجل we have to multiply them plus we divide the answer by 2. Add one more step. Okay? هذا هو الفرق بين التريانجل والسكوير والريكتانجل.
It is very easy.
Done.
Now we'll measure the length of sides in part B.
بس هذاك نفس الشيء بس مقلوبين.
Yes, Adam Zaitun, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. يلا part B, give me the measuring of each length, please.
Me?
لا, all of you. In a triangle, which two sides we will measure them?
Teacher, the
right and the base.
Bravo.
Yes, Miss.
The two sides that form a right angle. Bravo. يلا give me the measuring of each
Miss,
side.
the base, I think it's 4.
Base, it's 4. Will height?
teacher,
Miss, I meant height 4, not base, not base.
2 and 4. Okay.
Us 2 and
السكوير.
5 to 5.
لا سكوير. هيدا السايد قد ايه؟ How much?
3.
No, it's not 3.
Miss
2 and a half. 2 and a half. Exactly. It's 2 and a half.
1.5, yes.
طيب الريكتانجل.
4.
Four.
Teacher, 4 and 2.
4 and 2. Okay. Bravo. Yeah. Manessa Abedi, are you here? لين عقل.
Yes.
يلا يا لين. الاريا للتريانجل بالبارت بي.
The area is we put 1/2
Yes. Rule.
times height.
Base times height. برافو لين. طيب I will give you time to do part B alone. Okay?
Okay.
يعني ال remaining time انتوا اشتغلوا لحالكم للبارت B.
Okay.
طب teacher عندي سؤال.
Same way as part A. Yes, محمد. إيه محمد؟
Here we have 2.5.
إيه. We arrange.
هي
هي مش we multiply 2.5 by 2.5 ما هيك؟ طيب نحن we took how do we multiply decimal numbers? We arrange without
Point.
without point. Then at the end we count the digits and we place the point in the answer. يعني you arrange 25 by 25.
It's the first one.
With the first one like up.
Yes, yes, the same. Is it clear this lesson?
Yes.
It's very, very
Yes.
بس حلو.
Yes, it's also very easy.
هيدا
بس
كثير مهم
most of-
لجريد 6. كثير
But
مهم
most
لجريد
of
6.
them like up.
Yes, yes. Just 2.5 maybe it's different. Just.
Yes. No, it's close.
Tomorrow we'll correct it because we still have less than 1 minute, okay? So you will finish it alone now. Tomorrow we'll correct them together.
Teacher, I make it.
Bravo, Lean. So we stopped at Lean today. Remind me, Lean, tomorrow, okay?
Miss Khan, I am done.
Okay.
Miss, we can write instead of writing a side and side. We can write